Have you ever wondered if the phase of the moon you were born under could shape your personality? I know, it sounds a little out there. Stick with me, because this is actually pretty fascinating. So let's break it down. The moon moves through 8 phases: dark, new moon, bright, full moon, and back again. Astrologers believe that the energy of each phase can leave a subtle imprint on who you are. If you were born during a new moon, you might be a natural starter, someone who loves fresh beginnings and isn't afraid to try new things. First quarter babies? You're the go-getters, pushing through obstacles and chasing your goals. Now, if your birthday falls on a full moon, you might be all about connection, drawn to relationships, creativity, the spotlight. And if you're a last quarter kid, you probably have a reflective side, analyzing, letting go, making sense of the past. But here's the thing. These moon phases aren't just random labels. They can be a fun way to understand your strengths, your challenges, why you vibe with certain people. So, next time you look up at the night sky, think about which moon phase you were born under. Who knows? You might just discover a whole new side of yourself. Let me know in the comments. What's your moon phase, and does it match your personality? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic curiosities.